We will do low impact exercises, easy exercises with 1 kg dumbbell. First, bicep curl. We'll do all this 5 to 10 times. Once you have completed this round, you can repeat this round again. Repetition has to be 5 to 10 times. First was bicep curl. This is hammer curl. This also 5 to 10 times. These are for your upper arm. This is for your shoulders. 10 reps. Depending on if you have pain or not in your shoulders, you can decrease the range of motion if you have pain in your shoulders. These exercises will strengthen your muscles. This is again for shoulders, side shoulders, 10 reps. While doing this, I am not stopping in between. You can stop in between, take rest and then start doing. This is front raise, again for shoulders. You can take any weight, either half kg, 1 kg, 1.5 kg, 2 kg. If you keep low weight, the impact will be less. The chances of injury or pain will get reduced. This is another angle for your front raise. All you can do for 5 to 10 times. This is for your triceps, upper arm. Be relaxed, be easy. If you have pain in any of your joint, you may avoid those exercises. Opening up your chest, pressing your scapula against each other. All exercises 5 to 10 reps. If you feel them very easy, you can either increase your weight, dumbbell weight, or you may do more repetition. This I am doing lunges, but not going too much down. This is less than half lunges, so that you are comfortable on your knees. So these are less than half lunges, so that not much pressure comes on your knees. This is for calf muscle. You are raising your heels up. This normally we can do for any number of time, but if you want to be comfortable and if you are doing it first time, then go for 5 to 10 reps first. Now for your traps, the space between your neck and your shoulder, they are very strong muscle. We need to work on them also. Five to 10 reps. If you feel pain in your neck, you may stop it or avoid it. This is for back. Here we can go more down, but I am not going because this is for people with lower back pain. So you may not bend too much and then do it. Shoulder rotation. This is also good for shoulders, but slightly difficult. If you have shoulder pain, you may avoid them or do it 1, 2, 3 times, and then these are clockwise and anti-clockwise. Here I am showing you by doing 10 times.